Welcome to the channel. This is video number 5 in the Modern Maker series that I'm doing. This one's a little bit different because this video is about Scott Meek, and he makes wooden planes. He is based out of North Carolina, and he started this company all on his own, and his style is very, very unique. But what I like about it is they are ergonomically shaped. If you guys follow the channel, you saw that I made a jointer plane that was ergonomic for myself. He's kind of the one that gave me the idea of why don't you just shape the wood to whatever's comfortable to you, and that's what he does with his planes, and that's why I think they are phenomenal. He does make a series of different planes as well, and he even sells a kit if you want to make your own ergonomically shaped plane. I also really like that he incorporates different species of wood. So you can pick the body of the plane, but you can also pick the sole of the plane. You can have it be one solid piece, kind of whatever you want. And I just think that that's really cool that he does that as well. Adds a little bit more flair to the plane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below, and have a good day.